If you work in edit mode a lot, you're probably familiar with AI actions. In this photo, for example, I can use AI actions to select my subject foreground, which is the woman in my image. Selections are ACDSee's holding area. They are indicators of what parts of your image are going to be adjusted when you actually apply some sort of change. These can be filter changes, these can be adjustment layers, etc. For example, by using select subject, ACDSee informs me of that subject with these marching ants that marquee and swirl around the selection. If I was to make a change, for example, a sharpness adjustment, sharpness is located at the bottom of the adjustment layer panel on the right. You can see that my subject is now sharpened and particular details are enhanced. My sharpen mask illustrates the same parts of my image as my pending selection from earlier. One thing to know is that there are several overlay options for selections, so you can adjust your workflow to a system that best suits your needs. Let's go back a couple steps. I'll use the Select Subject AI action, again, to quickly select my foreground subject. Note that I can navigate to Select from the top menu bar and Overlay Options. Overlay Options gives me a choice in regards to how my selections are presented. I typically use the second option while editing. That option is called Selection Highlighted. I'll select that option and click OK. This Selection Highlighted overlay allows me to see exactly which parts of my subject I'm selecting and which parts are being omitted. The selection is in red. Omitted parts of my image aren't highlighted in this red color, they are default. Inversely, I can choose the third option overlay called Selection Exposed. Selection Exposed showcases the selection by highlighting everything else. I draw your attention to these options because if you're doing extensive work within edit mode and making a lot of selections, choosing an option that best suits your needs will allow for more accurate and less time-consuming adjustments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.